Smart electromagnetic gripper for flexible metal sheet handling. Manipulating sheet metal plates is a common but challenging task across many industries, from automotive manufacturing to bending, punching and pressing operations. Picking a single sheet from an unstructured bin is especially difficult. Traditional magnetic grippers can't tell if they've lifted more than one plate, often relying on costly vision systems for guidance. Suction-based grippers, meanwhile, struggle with greasy, perforated or uneven surfaces. Flanders Make has developed SMARTGrip, an automated and sensorised electromagnetic gripper, specifically designed for precision, without any need for vision systems. Featuring integrated sensors and intelligent control, SMARTGrip automatically adjusts its magnetic force to match the sheet's thickness and geometry, even when handling plates thinner than 1 millimetre. It performs reliably on oily or contaminated materials and can pick exactly one or multiple sheets on demand. The result is faster, safer and more flexible material handling in even the toughest industrial environments. Feel free to give it a try.